Hello everybody, today I have a package to share with you that I have just this minute received. I'm going to quickly open it. Okay, so that's opened now, and this is a design package sent to me by bbcraft.com. They contacted me again last week and said they'd love to have me play with some more of their products, and I gladly agreed to that because they don't conflict with anything else I'm doing. Totally different things than laces and things like that. So let me share with you what they've sent me this time, and I'm really quite excited about what they've sent. Okay, the first thing they've sent, and I will just have to open this. They're packaged very, very well. And the first thing they have sent me are some beautiful bling pieces. And these are from Panda Hall Elite. And I believe there are, I'm just seeing if it says how many on the box. Okay, let's have a little look. Oh, isn't that good? They're packaged in a lovely little box. And look at this. Oh, how lovely. And these are actually buttons. There's the shank on the back, but you can take that shank off. Aren't they beautiful? So that's a pearl and rhinestone bling button. That's the same as that one. And there's that one there. And that's a different one there. Oh, isn't it pretty? And a lovely flower. Oh, wow. Oh, I like that. It has a real mother of pearl look to it, doesn't it? Oh, that is lovely. And this one's, it's either a square or a diamond shape. Look at the sparkle, isn't it? Just gorgeous. And that's a larger one there. And another square one. Beautiful with the pearls. And it's got the AB crystals in the center there as well. And that one, and I think there must be two of each, I'm thinking. So, oh no, not really. There's just a variety. Look at that. Oh, these will make beautiful flower centers and lovely adornments. Oh, look, it's got square cut crystals on the side, like a rectangle. Just there. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. There's another one. And another pearl and rhinestone button. And then lastly, we have this one here. Isn't it gorgeous? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 buttons. How very, very beautiful. Oh, how lovely. Let's just put those to one side. I have to keep my ear open. We're getting some new fencing put in this week, and I don't know when they're going to turn up, so I can't really go anywhere until they turn up, or until after they're done. Okay, so the next thing they have sent me are these are Panda Hall Elite Perfect Beads and Findings, and these are the head pins. They're the silver head pins, and they look like the vintage silver by the look of it. And they're about 5 centimeters long. What's that, a couple of inches? Which will be very useful indeed. Thank you so much. And then the next thing they have sent me. Oh, these are wonderful. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. Oh, we have some handbag, what are they called? I don't know. Sorry about that. Look at that. It's a purse closure. And you've got the two little pieces here if you wanted to hang a strap on there. It closes like that. And then you've got a little handle on top. Isn't that going to be fun? Oh my goodness, that's going to be lovely. And that's in like a rose gold colour. And then there's also this one here, which is in a vintage like bronze brass colouring. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love those. Oh, that's going to be fun to play with, isn't it? Okay, and the next thing I have here, I'm so excited about this one. Oh, I have wanted to play with this sort of thing for such a long time. And I follow a few ladies on Instagram, and they do the wax seals on their paper crafting and things like that. And I've never ever tried it, and I've always wanted to. I mean, they make it look very, very easy. I'm sure it's not as easy as what it appears, but I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun nonetheless. And this is actually, it's a wax seal kit, and it comes with two of the little, which got a little bit squished, but that's okay. You're only using them to heat up, like little tea light candles that we all normally have anyway. It also comes with the pouring spoon where you melt your wax. These are wickless wax candles, so there's no wicks in them. And I'm thinking what you do is you shave a little bit of the wax off, you put it into the melting spoon, and then you hold it over the flame, and once it's all melted, you pour it onto your work, and then I think you just let it cure for a couple of seconds, but not all the way. Just enough to put the, what does that say? For you, I think that says. Just enough to place the wax seal on it, leave it for a couple of seconds for the wax to dry, and then gently remove it, and you end up with a wax seal. That is going to be so much fun. And this is a brass mount for it. This is a wooden handle, and you can buy these individually as well. They have the whole alphabet. They also have another package which is just one of these and a variety of seals to go with it. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And look at the lovely variety of colours that you get with this. Look at that. It's like the different golds there, and you've got your silver here, and you've got blue and red, and you have a purple. You have this lovely rose colour. You have a deep colour and another gold there. Is that the same one as that? Maybe one's gold and one's brass. Isn't that wonderful? Oh goodness, that's going to be fun to play with. Such a lot of fun. And then, so that is an actual kit that comes with the 10 waxes. It comes with the seal that you can buy extra pieces. It comes with the wax spoon, and it also comes with the candles. The one wonderful thing about BB Craft is that they don't just sell beads. They sell, like you can see, they sell a wonderful variety of things for any kind of crafting. And now the last thing they have sent me is, it's like a set. It comes as a set. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. So we have a strand of crystals, chandelier, 2 strands of chandelier crystals. And I'm thinking, there, wow. Let me just see how long the strand is. I have this long sticker I want to stick on my desk, I think. And it is... It's 1 meter, which is... that's the meter there. 100 centimeters. And these are inches. So it's just over 39 inches. I'm not sure if that's a yard or not. I don't really work in yards. But, wow, 2 of those. Let me just pick that one up. 2 of those. Oh, they're lovely. And they are real, you know, glass. They're not acrylic. Oh, okay. And then we get these. I won't undo them all, but I will show you one. Oh, look at this. So we get the teardrop shape crystals with the 3 smaller crystals, and that's the shape of the crystal. See, it's not flat on one side, it's got the points on both sides. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get 10 teardrops, and we also get a 10 of these ones. And like I said, these come together. I think you can just buy the teardrops separately if you wanted to. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So we get 10 of this shape and 10 of the teardrop shapes, plus the 2 1 meter strands of the crystals, and they do have all the chains on them already. If you order from BB Craft, there are some things will say they're from China, and some things will say they're from the USA. If you are international apart from the USA, you order from the China part. If you are USA, you order from the USA part. It's somebody mentioned from Australia that they were trying to, oh, that was Belinda was trying to order something, and I think she must have, it must say USA on it or something, and she couldn't, it wouldn't accept her address. All you have to do, if that's the case, is pick from the ones that say from China, and you'll be fine that way. Also, in the description box below, I will put a coupon code. I think it's anything over $40, and you will get some sort of discount from BB Craft. Do take a look around though, because like I said, it is not just beading. They have lace. I mean, I got all the beautiful rhinestone things. In fact, I was playing with rhinestones yesterday. I saw some of the ladies showing some products they'd received from the hauls they'd done, and one of the things caught my eye, because you may recall a couple of weeks ago I made this trim with the rhinestones like this, and I thought that was nice to cut up and use. And then what I saw, and so I've made this, and it's a larger version of it, and that's just with the lovely rhinestone trim. It's the 4mm silver from BB Craft. And all I've done is put different lengths on a piece of ribbon on the back there. You could even glue it to a piece of acetate if you didn't want the ribbon showing. But my thought is, if you have got, you might see a little bit around the edge, but if you're putting that on lace, that totally disappears into the background of the lace. And isn't it pretty? Look how movable that is. It's just beautiful. And you could make those any size you want. Anyway, that's getting a bit off track, isn't it? Beautiful items. We have some lovely sealing a ceiling kit. We have our gorgeous chandelier crystals. We have our handbag closures here, which will be so much fun to play with. We have our beautiful bling pieces here, and we also have our head pins in the silver. How wonderful. How wonderful. So I'll put a link to in the description box below to BB Crafts. If you're interested in taking a look, their prices are very, very reasonable. And like I said, they have so much stuff. Like they've got tulle, they've got felt, they've got pom-poms. So do take a good look around. You can get lost in there actually, because there's so much to look at. They have flat back pearls too, I noticed last time I was on there looking. So that was something I didn't realise they had. Okay, everybody, thank you so very much for joining me today. And I hope you'll join me. I'll be doing some more tutorials using these wonderful goodies from BB Craft. I'll be doing a tutorial on the bags, a tutorial on the lovely ceiling equipment. I will be doing a tutorial with the crystal chandelier beads, and I will incorporate all these beautiful jewel pieces in my projects along the way. Okay, everybody, take care now. Bye.